This new technology is also simple. A single panel made of wire mesh enclosing a polystyrene foam with amazing advantages.
The panel is sustainable and energy saving. Lightness. The panels are light and extremely easy to move in bulk. The panels are easily installed even under uncomfortable weather conditions. And this results directly in our next advantage, cost saving. Versatility. It is easy to obtain geometrical shapes or curves just by cutting the panel on site. Finishings of any types are possible without limitations. The panels have been tested and proven that it is load resistant, it is fire resistant, it is earthquake resistant, it is cyclone resistant, and it is soundproof. Within just 18 days, CMAX allows you to witness for yourself the completion of this house and experience this new advanced building system.
Day 1.
A floor plan or panel layout is provided with the manufactured panels with instructions for laying the components correctly. First, a normal foundation is laid, then marked with the layout settings. Rebars are put in position according to the calculated stress base of the panel.
Day one, what we did, we just put some corners, of which in our mind or in our way that we looked at it, we thought this is going to take too much time.
Day 2.
Armed with the floor plan that provides the proper instructions to lay the panels, the specific panel is picked only by 2. Cut the panel according to the panel layout by cutting through the mesh with bolt cutters and simply sawing through the polystyrene foam, and your panel is ready to be placed in position. Once the panel is placed in position, you make sure it is level by using the plumb line as instructed on the panel layout. The panels have overlapping mesh, enabling to join the adjacent panels with binding wire and using a staple gun to connect the panel in 3 positions: the top, middle, and bottom. The rebars provide continuity in the arrangement of panels. It is possible to start the assembly from the single wall. Each time a transversal wall is met, place the first panel, which also acts as a support to the long wall. There is no wastage when it comes to using this method. According to the specifications, every panel is put in place.
Day 3.
Construction continues. The angular mesh is being attached to the structural mesh of the wall panels, allowing for the overlapping mesh to be connected to the first roof panel once placed correctly. This task involves only few work staff. Construction continues with more cutting and placing of panels according to the specification.
Day 4.
Construction continues. Today, 2 tasks are handled simultaneously. The first workforce is placing the first roof panel in the correct position. The required panel is selected and is simply placed by lifting and putting it in the proper position. The second panel is placed on the same side. The second workforce is attaching a flat mesh at a 45-degree angle on windows and doors. A reinforcement mesh is braced around the edges of the open panel. After the assembly of the panels, electrical and plumbing piping can begin.
You are provided with a machine, you connect it with the power, and you just have to melt your way through the panel. Alafu you just pass your conduit or the flexible cord mpaka mahali unataka. It was very quick because comparing na zile nyumba za mawe unaambiwa enda uchonge, it's very simple.
A similar procedure is used in installing the plumbing components.
Day 5.
We pick up where we stopped. The finishing of the roof starts the day. Every roof panel needs to be attached to the adjacent panel, and the roof is complete. With all the components put together and the house is standing, we move on to applying the concrete. We catch the trainer, making sure we have the right amount of water, the necessary cement and sand, and the right gear. The cement is prepared with the right ratio of 4:1. First, the screeds are put in position. This will be used to level and guide the shotcrete thickness and the plastering level. Lining up all the screeds, we introduce the shotcrete application. This describes a new construction technique that involves spraying the concrete at a high velocity onto the panel surface. Once the cement is placed in the holder, the cement then is projected through the holes at the bottom of the shotcrete gun. Two layers will be applied. The first layer should have a maximum thickness of approximately 2.5 centimeters.
Day 6.
Construction continues. With the two walls sprayed, they are left to dry and harden while the procedure continues in the house. Once the guides are in place, the easy process of applying the first layer of the concrete is followed.
Day 7.
So far, the first layer of concrete has been applied on 2 of the outside walls. We join the action on the front wall of the house. Then onto the final wall, the entrance, and we move into the house. With the last bit of the house complete, they check the level to make sure that the first layer is correct. Here is a comparison with the progress from just a day ago.
Day 8.
Having started with the first layered wall, it is now time for the second layer. Because there are 2 shortcretes available, action happens simultaneously. Using the guide levels, the excess concrete is removed. The progress so far. 2 walls have been plastered as we move on to the third.
Day 9.
The crew creates innovative ways by using the shortcrete to spray water, helping with the curing process. While the plastering continues, the back of the house gets a second layer of concrete. Support beams are put in place for the preparation of the roof concrete slab. The foreman gives a comparison to the old traditional methods. With the beams in place, we now move onto the roof and start connecting the panels.
More angular mesh is put in place along the edges.
The team seems happy with the progress. They even have time for a picture.
Day 10.
We carry on construction with the final preparations of the concrete slab for the roof. A wooden frame is attached on the edge to hold the concrete slab that is about to be put. With the preparation complete, the process of laying the concrete slab begins. There is simultaneous action of plastering. The progress due to this method of construction creates job satisfaction and a happy work environment.
Day 11.
Construction continues with the curing process and the finishing of the roof edges using the shortcrete. With the roof complete on the outside, the first layer on the inside is next.
Day 12.
Today, there'll be 2 workforces and 2 tasks: the continuation of the roof edges and the plastering, and the first layer of the inside of the roof.
Day 13.
The first small hitch, but with a With the problem resolved, we carry on onto the plastering of the windows. This involves leveling and making sure the corner angles are correct.
Day 14.
The construction continues with the roof edges. The construction closer to completion, the workforce is reduced and less tasks remain.
Day 15.
Today, all concentration is finishing the concrete layer inside the house and start with the plastering.
Day 16.
Today, the roof plastering and the second layer of concrete using the shotcrete.
Day 17.
The finishing touches of the construction continues.
Day 18.
The final touches of plastering to complete the whole shell of the house in just proven 18 days.